Alright, here's another example of some of your content. So what's happening here is that I'm standing in front of the screen and I'm controlling it using our gesture interface, which you should be able to see in the top left corner as I move this around. So what we've got here are all of your assets mapped onto a map, and we also have all of your assets mapped onto this portfolio view. And in the portfolio view, you can look at things in terms of effort versus schedule, effort versus cost, schedule versus cost, or you can drag things around and see that obviously the sweet spot is in that green sort of cube, which is where effort, cost, and schedule line up to be roughly make something easier rather than harder to do. Now, attached to each of these dots is a document repository. So for instance, on the Midtown project, when you click on the Midtown project dot, it zooms into Midtown. And then up here in this window, it shows you all the files associated with that. So I can go over here and I can actually put any number of layers on this map that I want. And then that just gives me the ability to drag it around. This doesn't have to be a geographic map, but for the purposes of this demonstration, it actually is. So each of these files is accessible so that you can view them if you want to. And what we have here is probably one of the original screenshots of concept that we did for you ages ago. So you have access not only to viewing those files, but to actually editing them as well.